And behind me is an area that we haven't treated yet, and it's a good example of these habitat gaps or mini disturbances that we're introducing onto this stand. And it's a way to mimic nature and create areas that we can replant to get some other trees besides Douglas fir. And the areas that we target for these habitat gaps vary, but the one behind me is actually nature is already doing it itself. If you look right through here, you can see the dead snag tree that was the start of this laminated root rot, and the tree right next to it is also dead. And if you might not be able to see, but if you look, the crowns and all the other trees where the roots are touching that are slowly being infected as well. The gap that it's already started to create is currently being filled with Himalayan blackberries and holly and other invasive species. And so by creating a gap, a little mini clearing, stacking the brush, and we're going to replant this year. And so we'll get some cedar and hemlock and some spruce growing in here to, it accelerates the multi-story canopy, and it also mimics a natural forest rather than a even-aged commercial tree farm.